Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a collective message here for you guys. I feel like whoever you could be, you are going under a purging. When I mean purging, now what kind of purging do I mean? Like you are releasing everything that is not for your highest good. You are letting out everything that is not for your highest good outside of you, like toxic relationship, all those toxic people and all those toxic behaviors. You are breaking out of your karmic cycle. Like I'm literally in my college and I'm filming this in a classroom, and this is gonna be a very short message, but this is a very important message, especially with a supermoon that we have coming on this 5th of November. And this is a timeless message. This doesn't mean that you have to find it before or on 5th of November or even after. Whenever you find this message, that is when you're going through this cycle. And this cycle is very important. That is, there could be a lot of things around you that could be grabbing your attention at the moment. Now when I mean it's grabbing your attention, like you have become very magnetic right now. Okay, whoever you are, you have become very magnetic, and everything that you want, everything that you desire, everything that falls under your line of frequency or your line of attraction or magnetism, everything is coming rushing towards you. Like the job that you want, the dream career, the dream lifestyle, the vacation. I'm even seeing traveling Europe, Paris, and the Paris Eiffel Tower. I'm seeing a lot of things, and that's the confirmation by that bike. And there could be, I feel like you are gonna be traveling a lot soon, like maybe every day or frequently or from week to week. And this will be for your work. For some of you it's going to be for your hobby, for some of you it's going to be for relaxation. And now that I'm actually letting out the message, I feel so calm, I feel so good. Up until now I was feeling very nauseating, I was so tired. I was, oh my god, like I just finished my lunch, yet I was so exhausted, I was so tired. I feel like this is the kind of energy that you could be in right now. I feel like some of you women could be, conceiving. Maybe I feel like this is for married, this is specifically for married couple. That if you are looking out for having or like extending your families or something like that, then you could be conceiving, and this is your sign that you will be. And because I was feeling a lot nauseating and all of that, and definitely I'm seeing a lot of conceiving or conception for a lot of people. And for the single ladies, I feel like this nausea could be like purging you, releasing toxic cycles, karmic cycles, which is not for your highest good. And even though there are a lot of things that could be distracting you, but you're very focused on what is important for you. You're very focused on what is important for you, and you're focusing on that, and it's important. And I'm also seeing that so many of you guys are being your most authentic self, and I think that you have to continue to be your most authentic self. I literally wrote a channeled message today, and I knew that it was for me and it was also for the collective. And the message said that you are most powerful when you are your most authentic self, anywhere, everywhere, with everyone and with anyone. And your authenticity lies in being divine feminine. And I feel like this is for divine feminine, so for women out there, that your real power lies in you being your most authentic self even when you're angry. The society could expect you, or the world could expect you, that when a woman or when a person, now it's a gentle neutral message, please use your discernment with every messages. That is, a person could be angry, and this is how they're gonna react. Just like if you're angry, you either have to scream or you have to lash out or have to let the other person know. But if you are gonna choose a path where you don't want to talk to that person, you are ignoring them, or you decide to cut them off, or you don't want to interact with that person for a while, you want to take time off, reflect back, focus on your life, and then see if it's meant to happen, to have a conversation with that person, whoever it is that you could have on your mind right now. I'm seeing friendships, I'm also seeing teachers or college lecturers, I'm even seeing friendships, I just said. So like if you had recently some arguments, I'm also getting commitment issues for some people. I don't know why this word literally came out of nowhere, but this is the thing. Yeah, so you just be your most authentic self. How would you be when you're angry? How would you be when you're sad? How would you be when you're crying? Just be how you want to be. It doesn't have to be what the world expects you to be. That is the first thing. And second is, I mean, you are definitely in your most magnetic aura. That is why everybody keep getting pulled towards you. Everything that is not meant for you, just ignore that and just keep doing you. And with that, I will end this message. I feel like there are still a lot of things that I want to say, but I feel like for right now, this is it. And if there's any more, I will go home back and reshoot that. With that, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.